30 minutes later, it is starting to stick, and said we might get 3 more hours of this. So my hack is to take Mr. Ryobi here, cautiously step on a ta Tuesday, one take. Go ahead and put some footprints in, so that way maybe I can actually walk and not fall on my butt, right? Quick blow always helps. For some reason, this hack seems to work. Crazy, but if it works, why not? Well, let's see if it will melt like it's supposed to after you do a blow. Well, that's pretty good. Update it in a couple hours and see if it melts like it's supposed to. Snow's starting to crack under the feet. It is definitely sticking. It stays constant like this 2-3 hours. Ooh, I don't know, boys and girls. Might still be able to get out tomorrow. Cautious, cautious, easy, cautious, easy, cautious. Yeah, I want to see what this thing can do here. Check it. It's going to get loud. Yep. Still gonna stick though. So yeah, that has always worked as far as cleaning the windows. Let it stick the first round, then blow it off, and then it just builds a little bit. We'll see. The top is still definitely going to stick, and the edges, but then the windows, for some reason, they acclimate themselves. Oh, neighbor's getting home and in. Somebody doing some woodwork again.